Hello students, let's do question number 1 of exercise 15.2 NCERT optional exercise. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same day and the shop opens from Tuesday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on same day? What we have to do, first we have to find total outcomes. How many total outcomes will be there to visit the shop? First case may be that Shyam visit on Tuesday, Ekta also visit on Tuesday, Shyam on Tuesday, Ekta on Wednesday, Shyam on Tuesday, Ekta on Thursday, Shyam on Tuesday, Ekta on Friday, Shyam on Tuesday and Ekta on Saturday. This may be the case. Or Shyam on Wednesday, Ekta on Tuesday, Wednesday and Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday and Friday, and Wednesday and Saturday. These may be the cases. Or Thursday and Tuesday, Thursday and Wednesday, Thursday and Thursday, Thursday and Friday, and Thursday and Saturday. These may be the cases. Or Shyam visit on Friday and Ekta on Tuesday, Friday Wednesday, Friday Thursday, Friday or Friday and Saturday. Or what may be the case? Shyam visit on Saturday and Ekta on Tuesday, Saturday or Wednesday, Saturday or Thursday, Saturday or Friday, or Saturday or Saturday. Clear? These are the total outcomes. How many total outcomes are there? We have 25 total outcomes. Now, first case is, what will be the probability that they visit on the same day? For first case, what will be the favorable outcomes? Both visit on the same day. How many cases can we get? Both visit on Tuesday, or both visit on Wednesday, both visit on Thursday, both on Friday, or both on Saturday. How many favorable outcomes are there? There are 5 favorable outcomes. The probability of visiting the shop on the same day will be favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, that is 1 by 5. Clear? Part 2. What will be the probability that they visit on the consecutive days? If they visit the consecutive days, what will be the favorable outcomes? Consecutive means एक के बाद एक दिन क्या, दूसरा दूसरे दिन क्या? Tuesday and Wednesday may be the case, or Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Thursday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Friday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, Saturday and Friday. How many favorable outcomes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total favorable outcomes are 8. So what will be the probability that they visit consecutive days? Favorable outcomes are 8 upon total outcomes are 25. Probability is 8 by 25. Part 3. What will be the probability that they visit on different days? What will be the probability that visit on different days? You can count from here that they visit on different days, or we can write it as 1 minus probability of they visit the same day. What was the probability that they visit the same day? 1 by 5. Therefore, probability they visit on different days 1 minus 1 by 5, 4 by 5. Hope it is clear. Pause the video and note it down. Let's do question number 4 of this exercise 15.2. Let's take question number 4. A box containing 12 balls, out of which X are black. Balls in a box are 12. Out of this, black box are X. Number of black balls are X. There are X balls in the box which are of black color. If one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is a black ball? What is the probability of black ball? Probability is favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. How many favorable outcomes? We have x black balls upon total balls are x upon 12. This is case 1. What is it? They are saying about case 2. They are saying 6 more black balls are put in the box. Now, number of balls in box. 6 more black balls are put. 12 plus 6. Now there are 18 balls in the box. How many number of black balls in the box? Number of black balls are, earlier it were x, now x plus 6. Now what does it say? If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Now probability of drawing a black ball, now I am writing as P2, earlier it was let P1. Probability of P2 is 2 times earlier probability. Probability of drawing a black ball now will be x plus 6 upon 18. Now P2 x plus 6 upon 18 is 2 times earlier probability. Which was earlier probability? X upon 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are. X plus 6 upon 18 equals to x upon 6. 6 3s are 18. We can cancel it here also. Now cross multiply. X plus 6 equals to 3x. 6 equals to 2x and x equals to 3. Number of black balls in the box earlier were 3. Hope you got it. Pause the video and note it down. Let's do question number 5. These questions are important for examination point of view. Question number 5. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and some are blue. Total marbles in a jar are 24, out of which some are green and some are blue. Let green marbles are x. Then what will be the number of blue marbles? Number of blue marbles will be 24 minus x. Clear? If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 by 3. Probability of getting a green marble is given that it is 2 by 3. Find the number of blue balls in the jar. First we will find the probability of green marbles. What are favorable outcomes? X upon total outcomes 24. And this probability is given as 2 by 3. Let's take the value of x. X equals to 24 into 2 by 3. X equals to 16. What was x? X were green marbles. We have to find blue marbles. How many blue marbles will be there? 24 minus x, that is 24 minus 16. There were 8 blue marbles in the box. Pause the video and note it down. We'll do more questions in the next class. Thank you.